So in this video, you'll learn how to add users to your Nintendo Switch 2. So adding users allows you to have multiple people using your console at the same time. So the first step when it comes to adding a user is to just navigate to settings. So go ahead and go to your settings menu. And then once in settings, you want to scroll down until you see this option user. Select it. You can see the current user that is set up. And then if you want to add another user, just scroll until you find the add user and then select it. Then you will be prompted to close any apps that are currently running in the background. So just confirm that. And then now you'll be prompted to add your user. So you can add your user in two ways. You can choose to sign in with another Nintendo account, or you can just choose to allow the user to continue like that without having a Nintendo account. So you can select add user without signing in like that. Then you'll be prompted to choose your profile icon. And once you've chosen your profile icon, you now need to enter in your nickname. So your nickname can be whatever it is that you want. And then when you're happy with your nickname, just select OK. And from here, you can see your user profile has been successfully created. So the next step is just to select OK to confirm that you wish to add this to the console. Now, once you've done that, you can see you now have at least another user added. So you can go ahead and add up to 8 users on the same console. Then when you're happy, you can now just go back home. So now with any game that you currently have launched, if you want to play a game and it's for another user, you can just start by launching it. Choose the user who's going to be playing, and then they can continue playing. Bear in mind that they will need to have their Nintendo account signed in if they want to be able to play this game on your console. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.